operations manager for an MRO company, Jane has decided to digitise their existing industry standards paperwork and forms with WorkfloPlus. She used the simple drag and drop editor to create a workflow that will capture all the information needed to guarantee industry compliance regulations are met. She creates lists to make it as easy as possible to complete. On the runway, the digital forms are completed by simply following the step-by-step instructions on a wearable device, which means the operator's hands are kept free while the checks are carried out. Each step in the process is time-stamped, with the option to take video and photo evidence if needed, providing instant access to all the information she needs to keep track of on-site operations and make sure that industry regulations are being followed. The report is then instantly sent to Jane as soon as the check has been completed. An integration with a business intelligence system provides an in-depth, real-time view of the company's whole operation, which means decisions can be made before any problems arise. Thanks to WorkfloPlus, Jane can relax knowing that she has all the detailed information her team needs to streamline their operations and optimise their procedures.